everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do an unboxing of Jamison in Icy Shadow, and I'm going to compare it to Jamison in Chrome RT1B, and right now I'm wearing Jamison in Vogue. I purchased Jamison this Jamison in Vogue probably over a year ago. This is by Estetica, and I absolutely love Jamison. It's a really nice, easy bob. Then I purchased a second one in Chrome RT1B, and I just found this one on clearance on WIG Studio One on their clearance page. This one is in Icy Shadow. And I just had to leave it in the paper and show you how sweet Sammy works in the clearance section of WIG Studio One. And she writes little notes. Sometimes she adds a card. Sometimes she adds a little note. So I left it there so you could see it. But we'll unbox this one together. I'll just tell you a little bit about Jamison first. Jamison weighs 4 ounces. We have a front of 10 inches, we have a crown of 11 inches, and we have the sides of 7 inches. I do want to mention that when I purchased this one, the one in Chrome RT1B Jamison, I purchased it with the regular 30% off that's offered at WIG Studio One. And it had to be ordered because at that time there were very limited styles in Vogue. And I think that the Chrome RT1B, I think I got this on the clearance page. So either way, it's a great price, 30% off or on the clearance. You can't go wrong. I love Jamison because it's a really nice, easy bob. We have some permatease. We don't have an awful lot of permatease. It's minimal. If I want to tuck it, I can certainly tuck it and it doesn't look wackadoodle. And we don't have a high density either. It's not a low density, but it has enough because we need that shape. The same with the permatease in order to stay with that pretty shape of this shorter bob. It has nice movement. I think that Jamison is such a pretty easy piece for any one of us that really love bobs, especially if you lean more towards the shorter bobs. This color of this Jamison is in Vogue, and there are only a few styles in Estetica that are available in Vogue. In Vogue, we have a very dark brown base. It's probably a 4 base. We have some red blended in, and we also have some violet as well, some purple. It's a very dynamic color. I reviewed Jamison, I believe it was for the WIG Studio One channel, and I will leave it linked down below. I'm going to use the one in Chrome so I could show it to you. I could show you the cap rather. With Jamison, we have a left mono part, we have a lace front, we do have some permatease, but on these, I think on these styles that have that part, we do need a little bit of permatease in order to give it that pretty lift, because otherwise it would be just totally flat. We have the felt covered ear tabs, a non-extended nape, we have the hook type adjusters, and Estetica has a really nice stretch to it. I mentioned that the front is 10 inches, so you can kind of gauge how Jamison will look on you. I have 7 3/4 inches from hairline to chin. So that way you can gauge if your face is a little shorter than mine, then Jamison will be longer. If your face is longer than mine, then Jamison will be shorter. I'm going to go over the color Chrome RT1B, just in case you're not familiar with it. This, we have a 1B root, which is the black root. And then we have gray and white on the rest of it. And we have 25% brown. Being a brunette, these are really the best grays for me to wear between the brown that is blended in and the very dark root. This is pretty much how my hair is, so this is very easy for me to wear. Now with Icy Shadow, I am not familiar with that one, so I will take it out of the box now and we'll take a look at it together. She's so sweet. You know, she takes the time to send in a little note, and it's not just because it's me, because I have seen other members on the WIG Studio One Facebook page, and when they post their little notes and from Sammy. So Sammy, if you're watching, thank you so much. So here it is, Jamison in Icy Shadow. There was also an Avalon in Icy Shadow, you know, and I almost got both of them, but I didn't. Icy Shadow, I got notes here. This is an ice blonde with soft sand and golden brown roots and golden brown underneath. So our root is going to be a little bit lighter than it is on Chrome RT1B, and there's the difference for you. I guess if you have a fairer complexion, this Icy Shadow would probably work better for you. Oh, I see what's underneath. Oh, I'm getting excited about this. I knew that there was golden brown at the nape, but I haven't had this in my hand. So, oh, wow. So pretty. All right, guys, take a look at this, ladies. Let's see, how's it going to be the best? Okay, this way. I think it's going to be the best. And then when I put it on, see that brown root? Or brown nape rather, and then you have it throughout that medium golden brown. So you have a really nice mixture of that warm golden brown, and then you have that ice blonde on top. There is some mix of the sand blonde mixed in. Really, really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to give it a shake. I get so excited when I get new wigs, you know. I do. I get very excited. I'm going to take my wire comb. And I'm just going to disturb that zigzag. This looks beautiful. Now I'm wondering why I didn't get the Avalon too. So pretty. So pretty. All right, let's switch them out. Wow, that is white on me. That is very, very, very white on me. Yeah, I don't know if I could do this color. I don't know. That's really falling in my face. The fibers on Estetica are so incredibly soft. Really, really soft. Yeah, this is a bit light for me. And I'll show you the difference. I'll put a side-by-side of Icy Shadow next to the Chrome RT1B so you could see what I'm talking about. But this is really, really pretty. Really pretty. I'm going to turn around so you could see the nape. I'm a bit sad. I really wanted this to work for me. Maybe it's a matter of getting used to. I don't know. This is really platinum. I love the density. I feel like as if the density on this one is a little bit lighter than my original. I don't know. Maybe if I deepen the roots a bit, you know, make them a little bit darker. What a fun color. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous, but you know, sometimes we just like a color, but it just doesn't really go with us, and I think that's the case with this one. I don't know, I might have to just play with this one. Definitely shiny, but it's probably a lot shinier now because of the lights here. Yeah, I don't know if this color goes with my medium tan skin tone. But you know what? If we don't try, we'll never know. We will just never know. I'd probably take an airbrush as well and try to or use some steam. I've been planning to do that with my other Jamisons to kind of straighten them out a little bit. I mean, if you like it this way, there's nothing to be done to it. But if you prefer it to be straighter and not as turned in, you could use a hot air brush, or you could use some steam and just steam it down. Yeah, that is really pretty. Just may not be necessarily pretty on me. See how much better this color looks on me? And it's because of those black roots. I can wear this color much better than the icy shadow. This one has that brown mix blended in. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing of Jamison and Icy Shadow. Let me know what you think about these three colors, Icy Shadow, Chrome RT1B, and Vogue. Is there one that you like, or do you absolutely don't like any of them? Do you like this style? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.